Medical Association.
Hospitals, MCD-run hospitals, as well as private hospitals.
Raghav, please understand. What has had to happen, unfortunately, was not done. The child has died because for the last few hours of his life, he was going from one hospital to the other looking for basic treatment. So please, just cool this argument a bit. Think logically. Dr. D.R. Rai, who do you blame? Dr. D.R. Rai, please.
Arna, you are absolutely right. I would like to say only one thing. Mr. Chadha is sitting over here. Mr. Chadha, we from Indian Medical Association, we have been every time we have been requesting to the government, because in the month of September and October, the epidemic of dengue always comes. And how much we are prepared. Today I can tell you, today in the government hospital, there are 3 to 4 patients on one bed. Have you taken care of this thing? You are having a big hospitals lying vacant in the city like Delhi. In the Janakpuri super specialty hospital is there. In the Shad Garden there is a Rajiv Gandhi
private hospital. Everybody knows the kind of lobbying IMA has done to stop
listen to Dr.
legislations. Everybody knows the role of IMA. So stop politicizing.
IMA is always concerned. Mr. Chadha, IM is always concerned for the health of the nation. Health of the nation.
Sir, you do not have the spine to question the criminal negligence of private hospitals.
Those persons, you should ask
now,
them.
even the names of private hospitals were never given out in public. It is this time that the government has named and shamed these private clinical establishments. Everybody knows the role of IMA, the kind of politics that IMA does. Please do not do politics over a dead body.
If you want to discuss that, we are ready to discuss that. Also the lacuna which are there, we are requesting to the government. We are cooperating day by day to the government in establishing the Clinical Establishment Act also, and we are cooperating everywhere. Those are things which we have put a question mark. That has to be addressed. Now I am telling you, there are because every year the epidemic is coming. Super specialty hospitals lying vacant. You should have made this dengue hospitals in the 2 corners of the city where more than 500 patients can be accommodated. And what more you want? There are the doctors, they are the qualified doctors. They will take care of that one. But nobody is taking that.
Do you think?
1 second, Raghav. Raghav, 1 minute. Raghav, just a minute. Please understand. Go today, Raghav Chadha. Go to your government hospitals that you're talking so much about.
And visit.
And specifically, Mr. Chadha, I think you are from an Aam Aadmi party, but you've lost your touch with what is happening, because when my reporters went to hospitals like Swami Dayanand Hospital or to Loknayak Hospital, we find patients under treatment lying on the floor. We find that there are 3 patients on one bed.
Correct.
And you have, Mr. Chadha, 4,787 crore rupees to spend. So do not preach, please, for God's sake. Tonight,
and not only that,
otherwise I will reveal the facts even more. 1 minute.
But
at the same time,
I will very dispassionately.
But at the same no 1 second. But at the same time,
Mr. Chadha, about 6 months. Mr. Chadha, 6 months back, somebody asked me only one question on the air. Somebody asked me one question on the air. How we can improve the condition of the government hospital? I just suggested only one thing.
You listen to me. Everybody knows the kind of politics IMA does. I don't
care about your politics.
Issue, and
I don't care about your politics. Raghav Chadha, Raghav, I will not let you talk about politics. Raghav, sorry. Raghav, stop. No, I don't care about your politics. I don't care. I don't care who you think is pro-BJP, anti-BJP, pro-AAP, anti-AAP. I don't care, Raghav. Please stop, Raghav. I'm telling you to stop tonight. I will not let you.
IMA is concerned for the health of the nation. We are always cooperating with the government. We have taken all the projects from the government. Don't try to blame the IMA. IMA is fighting for everything.
Anyway,
he always does that.
Mr. Chadha, I want to tell you only one thing. Just listen to me.
At this stage,
6 months back, somebody asked me. Mr. Chadha, somebody asked me 6 months back on the air how we can improve the condition of the government hospital. I just suggested only one thing which was appreciated by all over the country. You just pass one ordinance over here. All the bureaucrats and politicians will have to take the treatment in the government hospital. Within 15 days your hospital will be improved.
Exactly.
Within 15 days your hospital will be improved.